What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are at our beautiful Airbnb. Got a little putting green back here, got a pool, got a hot tub. But today is the day. If you are not in Dallas, Texas, you are missing out. I'm telling you now, this meet is about to be crazy. There's going to be expected to be like 3,000 different bikes there, all different makes, all different shapes, all different colors. It's gonna be a freaking banger. You got every influencer here in the city. Like, you got S1K Rafa, you got Mez, you got S1K Rocket, Fastlane D, like you name it, they are probably here. Blondie Motovlogs, Rods, all them good people. So right now we are currently putting a phone mount on the bike and we're gonna head that way. And unfortunately I did not bring a drone with me, but I am about to go on Best Buy and see if I can buy one because I need a drone shot. I didn't bring a drone. I'm freaking kicking myself for that. I also didn't bring my bike either, but you know, trying to make the best of this trip, even though a couple things have been thrown my way. But also I have a goal to give out. There's about let's see, probably say about probably 80 to about 70 cards here, business cards. Has all my YouTube and TikTok stuff like that on it. That's my goal, to give all these out at the meet. So if you get one, you can either keep it in your pocket, follow me, whatever, throw it on the ground, I don't care. It's just something that I picked up from Walter Riffick, one of the OGs in the game. These have actually got me a lot of followers, believe it or not, especially on my YouTube. And like, you never know who you're gonna meet, you never know who you're gonna run into. So like, that's just something I always think about. And of course, you know, I'm wearing the merch. This is a little sneak peek. It has my YouTube on the back, but it doesn't have the official logo. That one is at home. Got to bring it. Obviously, I want to promote my YouTube while I'm out here, so I did get one made with my YouTube on it. So yeah, get these card outs and just vibe out, baby. Without further ado, let's get this banger underway.
Check us out, on 35 all night long. Y'all check us outside tonight, baby.
All right, hey, what's your YouTube? What's your YouTube?
I got a bunch of YouTube channels, bro. Follow me on Instagram.
What you said? Rainwater?
Rain 214 water. You heard of Mo3?
Yeah.
I don't want to fan Mo3. I'm Mo3 manager.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look on YouTube, look.
Say Rain 204.
Water. Have you fell on them hoes yet?
Yeah, I've been hit like 3 times already.
With a car, by a car?
Yeah.
And you still on them?
Oh yeah.
You been hit for real?
Yeah.
That's a bad motherfucker. I got cameras on y'all shit?
Yeah.
Tag me when you post.
Oh yeah. So we're out here. We made it. I got me a t-shirt, free t-shirt. And look how many bikes. Completely insane. I'm telling you, if you're not here, you're missing out. There's more people still pulling up. I'm telling y'all, this is the bike meet of the fucking year. Also, like, this is probably not even a quarter. I'm willing to bet there's not even a quarter, because this is just parking lot A. I believe they have parking lot B, C, and I believe there's a D. They have private parking for all the influencers and stuff like that. But yeah, we are definitely blocked in over there.
We're not even able to get out. Like, we're all the way over there by the porta potties. Like,
what the fuck? What the fuck, base? This shit is insane. God, man, I wish I had my fucking drone. Or a drone. Oh no, if I find somebody with a drone, I'm gonna ask them to put my SD card in that thing. I gotta get some shots. Real quick.
Reporting live from Grand Prairie, Texas, police are responding to what is being called the biggest, the largest motorcycle event ever.
Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitchin' my archives. Jordan came back, so the 4-5. If you play, then you lay right there by your own kind. Pull up a 4 in a loco, tell them run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin, shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks from my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy from here. What I paid for some dogs could've bought me veneers. Texas piece on my neck could've bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Stuffing Cali plug weed in the blunt. Let my little brother roll him a Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pouring lean on the nuggets and runts. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some I had to stunt. Right wrist, I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting and punching. Hey ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple M's, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit I had to go double. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.
Yo, freaking shout out to this guy right here. He let me put my SD card in his drone. He has one of the older ones, the older Phantoms. Thank God, I'm gonna have some sick ass drone shots. Hopefully, I can do something with this. Man, hey, my buddy, I wasn't gonna ask at first, but then my buddy was like, hey, just go ask him. So I did, and he's let me do it. So you never know until you ask. Nick, picking it up, MPT, about to give me a hoodie, Fast Lane Gang.
Free pair of pants.
I want the new boxes now. Yeah. See the new ones?
That medium black, right?
Medium black.
Fire. If you're not getting this, you're missing out. Use discount code Hollywood.
Mind if I touch on? You can only buy them here. You can only buy them here.
Hey, I've told you guys, if you're not here, you're missing out on everything. Come on, your twin right there?
Where?
That monkey?
That's your twin. Hey, don't record that. Don't record that.
That's my boy.
No, you're good, man. You just gotta tag him when you post it.
It is so insane out here. We're about to, it's like a car meet out here, bro. Like, watch people pull off. Somebody just lost it into the ditch back there, but he saved it. He saved it. He almost went down. Shit's crazy out here. I'm telling you guys, y'all are missing everything, bro. People are still out here lined up on the side of the road like it's a car meet, bro. I fucking love it.
12 seconds later.
Oh my God.
Good? Good to go?
It's getting fucking crazy out here. Holy shit. The chopper is out. Time to shut this shit down. Somebody done went down over there, but he's straight. I made sure he was all right. I think I'm off duty, but I'm not. You guys don't know I'm fucking EMT. I made sure he was all right. Oh my God, they got the spotlight out. The show is still going on though, but I think that's it. I think that's it. Alright guys, unfortunately that is the end of the video. Somebody went down, he was in a wheelie, another guy ran into him. I went over there and ran, make sure he was alright. In all seriousness, I did record the bike afterwards, but he's all good. He was wearing full gear. He is covered. We got the chopper in the sky. They got the freaking light out. Dude, the event has not even stopped yet. DJ's still going full blast. He's up there jamming by himself. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed that video, it was a fucking banger, to say the least. I got some merch. My boys got some merch. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share. I'm telling you guys, if you weren't here, you freaking missed out on so much opportunity, getting to meet people, linking up with everybody you haven't seen in a while. Without further ado, here comes Phantom, here comes Monster Racing. Without further ado, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. UseBikeDirect.com. Let's go.